Hey!
Huwag pa mahumana.
We just arrived guys at Enchanted. I think this is the entrance. Look at this face. Oh, diba? It says Enchanted. Enchanted. Step 1 registration here, and then step 2 payment there. Only one representative per group to register guys. After you register, I think you will ride this one, and that is included in the payment. So you will have to ride this one even you have your own car. So this is the unloading area, and this is where you will gonna briefing area here, and you can also buy some souvenir items here. It's very nice. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Tapos na tayong natatakan. It's September 13. It's my birthday. Yay! Before we go there, kain muna tayo. Eat. Ayan. Kain muna tayo. We will gonna eat, and let's check what they can offer here. Where are you from?
From Mexico.
Mexico, where?
Pampanga. Gusto mo durian shakes? Sir, nalang na po dyan. Ikaw na, Salvaro?
Guys, this is ready to
White
eat na
pussy.
guys. So,
May malasugi na kinilaw.
malasugi, kinilaw. Kasama ko po sila ma'am.
Meron po tayong crab sir, lambay sir. Meron po din
Sayang,
tayong talapito,
allergy po
tuna
ako
belly.
sa ano eh.
Ito po sir, tuna belly sir.
Allergy po ako sa seafood.
Ito na lang po sir, din ito. Kung gusto niyo po kasi yan, hindi po yan ano, sa mga allergy.
Sige po.
Pwede po yan.
Yan, dito na tayo. Yan, so, ito yung entrance guys. So yan, kailangan nyo ng ID para makakuha nito. So, don't forget to get this one. Ay my god, ang ganda! Wow! Wow! Wait guys! I will show you. Ang ganda! Oh my god! Wow! Wait, I'll show you. Manipis. So hindi ka pwede magtalon-talon. Pero pwede kang mag-swimming dun sa part na yun, no? Enjoy this moment here. Ang ganda. Yan, no? Super deep na siya, oh. Super dark blue na siya. And doon parang may cave. Para siyang may cave na papunta. You know, super dark siya. Yan. Tara, mag-swimming na tayo. Oh my God. This is where you can swim. Yan. It's very shallow. It's only waist level. Unlike doon sa may banda doon sa may dark blue na pinagbabawal na siya. So hanggang dito lang tayo pwede mag-swim, guys. So you have to follow the rules. So let's move forward and let's see what's inside.
Dito sa katungkad.
Dito ka sa kanang pisi. Sa pisi.
Ay, talagang lulusot dito.
Asan sila? Wow! Hey, say hi! Hey, hi! Ang ganda! Malalim? Ha? Akala ko hanggang bewang lang. Oh, so hindi pala guys, correction. Hindi pala siya hanggang bewang. Malalim din pala siya. So ayan na. Magpapalit muna tayo. Let's have a very quick change. Hi, Han. Ayan o, wish you were here. Oh my God. Let's try this Akaso EK7000. Samahan niyo ako na. Let's go! Holy shit, ang ganda. Ay naman sa vlog natin. Yan. Shout out. Ano po? Tagum City. Ayan. Shout out to Tagum City. Thank you. Until next time. Bye. So yan. Satisfied. We're about to leave na. So experience 100% good. Sulit. It's worth it. Look at the water. It's so clear. It's worth it. I highly recommend this place. And today, you know, wala masyadong tao kaya maganda talaga yung timing. Perfect talaga yung timing, hindi crowded ngayon. So, tingnan nyo naman yung tubig, so crystal clear.